Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really good one. It's all about FaceTory. So last month I was a little on the edge with FaceTory. If you want to know what this is all about, check it out. So FaceTory 7 Lux is $19.99 monthly subscription. It is skincare, it is sheet mask, and there's always a bonus item. So 7 sheet mask and 1 extra bonus item. So FaceTory is pretty amazing. I have been with them for close to 3 years. I cannot believe it myself. And it's K-Beauty. I am definitely all about it. My skin absolutely loves K-Beauty. Now, I am affiliated with FaceTory for about a year. 2019, I started with FaceTory. Even though I am affiliated, I am not sponsoring this video or anything to do with them. It is straight from my review, my experience, my thoughts. What do I think about it? Texture-wise, feelings, ingredients, if it works for me, for oily to combination skin. Now, I could only tell you what the texture is all about and what is the sheet mask quality all about on my skin. But I always say I am not a professional. I do love to do this. It's my passion. I am all about loving my skin. So even though I am affiliated and I am so appreciated about that, thank you so much for all you girls that have subscribed or even go on their website and have picked up a few things from FaceTory. Thank you so much. It always, every single month, it covers up my subscription fee. It is so unbelievable how K-Beauty is so wonderful. Not only that they have amazing packaging, presentation, but the ingredients of K-Beauty, it's so nice. Now, today I am going to be using some of the products from FaceTory. I'm going to be doing a sheet mask. I'm going to be using something new with my video that I haven't done with FaceTory is use one of their wash off mask from the Tetra Force. This is so excited because I am definitely all about it. Today is Sunday, so I wanted to do it a little extra skincare love. And I am going to be using my steamer, of course, at least twice a week. I am definitely all about steaming. And as you see there, my eye mask. And there's a sheet mask there that it is a little nice texture sheet mask for calming and soothing, all about the aloe vera. So let's start this. So up close, my skin is already prepped and ready for a wash off mask. You have to cleanse your skin first. You at least use a wash off mask at least twice a week. You could go 3 times. You could exfoliate one day and then the next day you could do a wash off. You could alternate. But cleansing, double cleansing is first before anything to do with exfoliating or wash off mask. So let's go straight with the Tetra Force wash off mask. Let me show you what it looks like. We received this, I think it was 2 months ago for FaceTory, I believe. This is so nice. I haven't used it yet. It is sealed and it has some nice ingredients in here. So before I put on the wash off mask, oh, this feels so good. Always make it a spa moment. You steam a little. You want to make sure all those nice pores are open, ready to be sealed off with this mask. So this steamer helps open up your pores after a good cleansing. It is so soothing. So I am all done placing this mask full of amazing ingredients. It has the leaf extract. You can see it there. It has tea tree, it has chameleon, it has chamomile, it has aloe. It has some nice calming. It definitely calms out your skin. You could see the rawness of this mask. I like it. You could steam as you have this mask on for it to absorb nicely. Okay. I am going to be unbagging FaceTory as I have this mask on. 20 minutes with this mask on. Girls, pick up a sheet mask. Get yourself comfortable. Let's have a little spot. So everything I'm using today and we're talking about is from FaceTory. Find yourself a little corner. I like to do this every single night. There is some nights that I am so exhausted. I just make it as simple as possible. But every single night, I definitely do my cleansing and my skincare basic routine wash. Now, this is just a little special. It's Sunday. Find yourself a little spa me time moment for yourself. 2-3 times a week. If you're just starting, once a week is fine until you get the hang of it. And it's just amazing. It's so amazing. It becomes like a habit. Like you have to take a shower, you need to put on a sheet mask. You need to do your skincare routine. You need to get up and remove all your makeup. It becomes so normal. So I have to say for the past year, I am so accustomed to this that this has to be done. So I am using FaceTory again products. We are talking about it. Let's talk about it down below. Do you like for me to do a sheet mask, a wash off mask while I do my unbagging? I think it's a good idea that we're talking about FaceTory. At the same time, start using up your products, whoever receives FaceTory. This month, I am so excited because we did receive a pamphlet. FaceTory, thank you so much because this is so exciting to receive and it is so nice. You are a gem for Valentine. So nice. These pamphlets give you such a nice little vibe for you to read about it and know about it. And even up here in every single pamphlet, they have how to place a sheet mask. I was talking to one of my girls, actually Everything Proof, Jessica. She was saying there is some girls out there that don't know how to place a mask. It's for real. I have got DMs about what is this foil for? It's so thin. My sheet mask ripped. I'm like, oh my God. So Everything Proof, you're so right about that, Jessica. But the pamphlets, every single pamphlet, they have how to place a mask. You could always ask me. You could always ask me anything you want. Don't ever feel like embarrassed or, you know, a question is a question because I was there too. One time I put a sheet mask backwards. One time I put a sheet mask with the foil on. You know, there's many, many things. So yes, Jessica, you're so right about that. A pamphlet is important, and how to place a sheet mask and how to use wash-off mask, of course, it is important as well. Everything could be written here. And I love to read about the ingredients and know the experiences. So yes, the pamphlet is super, super important. And thank you so much again. Now let's get straight with the 7 sheet masks because, you know, every single month we receive 7. I love this. It's all about February 2021. So this is a nice one. I love the packaging. So pretty. Look at this one. So nice. Actually, this CLIV is one of my favorite brands. I love it. Look at this. Is a different type of package. This is probiotic mask. I like a lot. This is a kombucha, I think. Is it? Oh, no, there's a brightening tea. How nice is this? So pretty. I love my tea. This hibiscus, another type of tea. I love this packaging as well. This is so soothing and nice. I like. It's a big one there. And this is something new as well. Very, very simple and sleek. I like it. This is a multi-use lifting care facial mask and tightening. I like this. And our bonus, Tetra Force. That is what I'm using as well from the brand. From this brand, Tetra Force. This is a spot patch. The one I'm using is a wash-off mask. This brand, I am actually liking a lot. This is a 45 pieces of spot patch acne treatment. Ooh, there's a bonus that we're receiving here. Do you see how many? I love this for my daughter. Perfect for a teen, perfect for when you get that one big gigantic pimple that you can't get rid of, you spot it with this. I like this a lot. Very good use. Now, let's talk about the prices really quick. For that bonus item, so good. It's a $10 value price. It's tea tree leaf oil. You place it on the spot treatment. You make sure your skin is nicely clean, and you could actually leave it for overnight as well, and it will absorb all the excessive oils that pimple, because a pimple is just excessive oil built up, cloggedness built up, and it starts lifting out of your skin. So basically, it starts from the inside. So it is very important of what we eat. That's why it's puberty, and a lot of young girls do get pimples. So it's all that oil built up coming from inside, coming out, and it becomes either a boil, those big fire ones that hurt. I get it. It's a whitehead, blackheads, all different kinds. So it is difficult to treat a pimple, and we have to be really, really careful. Putting your fingers on it, I have learned. I am 44 years old. I was a teenager, and I have learned the hard way. I popped them, and they just exploded all over my skin. Seriously. So this spot treatment, either patches or dry lotion, the dry lotions that we receive in a few of our subscriptions. I think Mario Badescu has a good one. The pink one, the charcoal one. Spot treatment. It works amazing. It calms it, and then it just clears out your pore. It sucks out that gunk. I like it a lot. I just gave you a little tip there. Take it for good use, because I've been there and done that. My own experience. It's not good. This mask is so nice. This has like an X there. I haven't seen this brand. This is pretty new. This is a biocellulose. I am all about the biocellulose. This is a $5 value price. Amazing. It has moisturizing, balancing ingredients. It has the wheat protein hydrolyzed. And this has the avocado fruit extract. Nourishing. Ooh, this is so nice. I cannot wait to use this. I love biocellulose. It's so, so good. It's very, very thin, and it really, really goes into your skin and soaks everything into your skin, giving it a nice glow. I like it. This month, they're doing a self-care. It's the best care. Grab a sheet mask, light a candle, make it a spa moment. Like I said earlier, this month, we made sure to include refreshing sheet mask to help hydrate, radiant skin all day, every day. Consistency is the key. It's all about consistency. I am a believer. This one is such a nice packaging. This one is $3 value price. Why do they love it? This every morning, daytime, in the morning, provides amazing hydration without leaving our skin feeling sticky. I like that. This has some nice extract. Unclogs your pores, renews your skin, minimizes the texture, helps exfoliate lightly. I like it. Calming, soothing, moisturizing ingredients. I love this. Okay, something to use this week. This one is the hibiscus. This one is a $3 value price, 100% hibiscus flower extract, making one of the most refreshing and revitalizing your skin. I like this a lot. This is from Dewy Tree. Nice, hibiscus. This one is a tea one. This one is $2. Such nice packaging. It feels nice and soaked in here. Vitamin C, packed with vitamin C. It has a Juja tea. Okay, nice. That's the white tea. Why do they love it? It applies nicely, looking much more radiant after application. Okay, so it has the essence. It also is very lightweight and non-sticky. A lot of these masks from Face Story, I have noticed they're not tacky, they're not sticky. A lot of them. There is some, but the majority are light essence, and I do like that a lot. Essence is not a toner. So you tone your skin first, then you place a sheet mask for it to soak in nicely into your skin. This is a $4.80 probiotics 5VT Cosmetics. I haven't heard about this brand. This is new. Gold probiotic mask. 24 gold extract. Nice. Fermented. This ingredient helps smooth and moisturize the skin, providing rich nutrients. Why do they love it? This gives you a healthy radiance with 24 karat gold and active probiotic, leaving your skin rich and hydrated. Nice. Essentials. This one is the CLIV. Amazing brand. This is all water-based. I have to say, I love this one a lot. $4 value price. A must-have skincare ingredient. It's hydrating. It is definitely hydrating. I think I used the blue one and I loved it. It is formed to restore irritated skin. It has honey. Ooh, I like it. Ingredients to help fade scars. Nice. This is the CLIV, the Ample Mask. Soothing and refreshing. I like. This last one, Deep Miracle. I haven't heard of this brand. Some nice new brands here. Collagen. All about it. $2 value price. Why do they love it? It feels super relaxing all day. They have noticed their skin looking more radiant and elasticity. All about it. I am definitely all about it. A type of seaweed that helps fight inflammation. Like that. It has a collagen, hydrolyzed, fruit extract, moisturizing ingredients. Nice. A sheet mask full of infused with the Ample essence. You definitely can't go wrong with this. Definitely not. It's all about the collagen. This is so exciting. I have so many sheet masks. Every other day I am using them. Girls, try to use them. Put them by your nightstand. Open it up. Place it on your skin. It will definitely feel so nice and soothing. So right after this wash off, I'm going to be using this one. Look at this. It has like a nice flower texture. Something special for the Valentine. So let me remove this. Let me place this. And girls, thank you so much for down below. Let's talk about it. It is so much fun to talk about skincare. Oh, and I have to wear the eye patches. Today is my eye patch night. Okay, so that was a little work. It does have a lot of leaf extract, so you really have to make sure it's really washed off. So you just dab lightly with a towel. Make sure everything is nice. It feels so refreshing. Nothing is stinging. It just calmed my skin because, you know, as an adult, we still have irritations and we still have, you know, little breakouts here and there. It feels so nice. So let's put on the eye mask. It feels so nice. This is my green tea eye patches from Detox brand. Oh my goodness, I have to say, every time I wear them, it's so nicely refreshed. They go on my eye really nice. They don't fall out at all. I do like when gel patches don't slip off. These don't. So now I could place on the sheet mask. This helps soothe, relax my under eye. And this is perfect because right now I'm about to tone my skin with my toner that I'm using. You could stay with this because, you know, toner could be a little strong for your eye area. So this protects it. Nice. So a beautiful pattern. I don't want to talk much. This is infused with pure aloe. So it is placed so nice. I'm going to relax. Girls, I'll see you on my Instagram. I will talk all about it. This is the moment where you sit back and relax. Thank you so much for being part of Love Your Skin. And don't forget, pass by my Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.